Hey friends, if you wish to connect your Bluetooth to your phone, then here's how you can do it. Right click on the start button, select settings, go to the Bluetooth and devices tab and click on add a device. Click on Bluetooth. Make sure that the Bluetooth of your phone is switched on and then click on show all devices. Okay. Then find the device and then you can click on the option to pair it on your phone. Click yes here. Okay. And then you will also have to click on yes on your phone. Okay, we'll try to connect it once again. Wait, show all devices, and then we can try and connect it. And then we'll click on yes and we'll click on pair on the device. It says connection succeeded, which means it's connected now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.